James Cook was born on October 27, 1728, in the village of Marton, Yorkshire, England. He was the second of 8 children in a modest family. His father was a Scottish farm laborer, and as a young boy, Cook worked on the family farm. Despite their humble means, Cook's father managed to give him a basic education, sparking his curiosity about the world. At the age of 17, Cook moved to the nearby coastal village of Staithes to work as an apprentice to a grocer. However, his fascination with the sea led him to abandon this trade after 18 months, and he pursued an apprenticeship with a Quaker shipowner named John Walker. This marked the beginning of Cook's life at sea. Cook's maritime career truly began in 1755 when he joined the Royal Navy. At that time, Britain was involved in the 7 Years' War, and Cook quickly rose through the ranks due to his exceptional navigation skills, hard work, and dedication. He served aboard various ships and demonstrated great abilities in charting and mapping, which brought him to the attention of higher-ranking officers. During the war, Cook's skills as a surveyor and cartographer were particularly valuable. He produced detailed maps of the St. Lawrence River during the Siege of Quebec, which played a crucial role in the British victory. His talent for navigation and mapping would become central to his later explorations. In 1768, the Royal Society of London commissioned Cook to lead an expedition to the South Pacific to observe the transit of Venus across the Sun, an event that would help scientists calculate the distance between the Earth and the Sun. He was also given secret orders to search for the hypothetical southern continent, Terra Australis. Cook set sail aboard the HMS Endeavour in August 1768, with a crew of 94 men. The voyage took him to Tahiti, where the Venus transit was observed. Cook's mission was far from over. He sailed west, exploring New Zealand's coasts, becoming the first European to circumnavigate the islands. Cook then traveled to Australia, mapping the eastern coastline and claiming the territory for Britain. This voyage was a resounding success, not only for its scientific achievements but also for Cook's careful and detailed charts of previously unknown lands. Cook's maps were so precise that they remained in use well into the 20th century. Cook's second voyage, aboard the HMS Resolution, was to explore further into the southern oceans in search of Terra Australis. From 1772 to 1775, Cook sailed further south than any European had before, crossing the Antarctic Circle in the process. Although he never found the fabled southern continent, Cook's voyage debunked the myth of its existence. He also visited many islands in the South Pacific, including Tonga, Easter Island, and the Marquesas. Cook's detailed charts, logs, and ethnographic observations of the native populations provided Europe with a wealth of new knowledge about the Pacific region. In 1776, Cook embarked on his third and final voyage, which aimed to find the elusive Northwest Passage. Sailing aboard the Resolution once again, Cook explored the western coast of North America, mapping the coasts of what are now Oregon, British Columbia, and Alaska. In 1778, Cook became the first European to visit the Hawaiian Islands. After continuing his search for the Northwest Passage without success, Cook returned to Hawaii in 1779. On February 14, 1779, Cook's third voyage ended tragically. Relations between Cook's crew and the native Hawaiians had initially been peaceful, but tensions eventually rose. During an attempt to resolve a conflict over a stolen boat, Cook and his men were attacked by the Hawaiians. In the skirmish, Cook was struck on the head and stabbed to death. James Cook's voyages had a profound impact on the world.